Hello and welcome to a new mini explore video. We're here in Mould to have a look at Harley's garage. Now, this place has been recommended to me by one of my subscribers, so thanks very much for that. He says I won't be disappointed. So let's have a look around and see what Harley's garage is like. Now, as far as I know, this garage has been closed since the 1980s and it's very well preserved inside. You can see we've got some period pumps here, clearly of some age. This is really old here, buried in the corner. It says pink paraffin. See inside, it's not been touched for a long time. Got an advert there, Radio Mobile. Take it that's old. Yeah, leading name in car radios and stereos. Maybe 40 odd years ago. That's really old, that. Getting some more period advertising for Goodyear. Goodyear tyre power. That's definitely been there for a long time as well. Taking this was the service reception. Again, lots of old advertising, Wins, Haynes manuals, Simon's, box there with comma, a name, long. In fact, no, sorry, it's the wrong spelling of comma for comma vans. Unipart, book hanging up in the background there as well. Turtle wax. Just have another look at these pumps, just like the one at Carnarvon. Got all the exposed workings there. Again, some really old brands here. Lucas, Girlin, Unipart. You can just see in the workshop now. Just look at this here. 1974 Morris Marina, K-Reg Austin 1100. So I guess the Marina, yeah, 1974. The Austin, 1972, I think, K-Reg. Obviously never been touched for years, you can see from the patination on the bodywork. You can even see down into the pit. A couple of lovely old cars in here. Garage, like I said, has been shut since the 1980s, so these have probably been sat here for 40 years untouched. Some more advertising, Unipart. Lots of spares in there. So, Harley's, I think, shut in the 80s. I don't know when Mould's Tyre and Wheels closed. Seems to be on 2 levels here now. Just have a look down the ramp here. I take it Mould Tyres is still going. This is just round the back now. A couple of old car washes. Just as a point of interest, the Tesco that's built on the site of the former Mould railway station. I'll put a link in the video for that. Sorry, a link in the description for that video. These car washes clearly never been used for years. Looks like a case. We've got the Tesco's here. It's probably took the business away from this place, so a little local firm suffering because of the UK's largest retailer. See by all the bits on the floor, that's never been used for a long time. There is a sign up there for Harleys. It's got the 01 prefix on the area code, so I think that was in the 90s that we started using 01 instead of it being 0352. Come back up to the Chester Street forecourt, some more period advertising. Unipart, I think, was part of British Leyland. This is just one of these places I've been past a million times, never noticed it. So a big thanks for the tip off to come and have a look at this place. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.